Welcome back. This is going to be a really quick video. It is something that I picked up because I needed it. And basically what it is a car jumper kind of kit that has USB plugs in it, USB-C plugs. It'll charge your phone. So if you keep this completely charged up, you can take it with you, driving somewhere or camping or whatever. You can charge your phones up. You can run radios on it. You can, all kinds of things. And I'll show you a lot of the connections in it as we get further into the video. Basically, what I got this for was to replace this heavy thing, which is basically an old-fashioned DC type lead acid battery charger pack. So we come back, we are going to go over the GREPRO car jump starter kit. Don't go away. All right, so basically, guys, I've been having problems with Noah's car, and we finally figured it out that it is the battery. So, but until we figured out that it was for sure the battery, we were using that jumper, that old heavy, battery jumper. The problem was it got to the point where it wouldn't hold a charge anymore. Just like a car battery, yeah, it would say 12 volts, but as soon as you would, put it on and hit the key, man, it just drained it instantly. So I knew that was no good, just like this battery's no good. So I ordered one of these from Amazon, and I didn't get the cheapest one, I didn't get the most expensive one, but it's all charged up and ready to go. And the one thing they do say is you do not use it until it is completely charged, okay? So it's got 5 little LEDs on the front of it. Charge it up till all 5 LEDs are charged, and you're ready to go. And I will tell you, I've already used this, and does it work. It will jump this car 3 times before I have to plug it in and charge it again. So I'm going to get it out and show you what it is here real quick, and then I'm going to show you me jumping Noah's car. And I'm not going to show you Noah's car won't start. Trust me, it's dead. Actually, yeah, I will. I'm going to go hit the key right now. I'm sure you won't hear anything, but I am now switching the key. Nothing. It won't even click. So basically, you get this in the box right here. It's a nice little carrying case. These are the jumper pack that you plug in. This is the battery pack, and it is a lithium ion. And then it comes with a whole bunch of different attachments for a cigarette lighter attachment. I can run my air pump to pump up the tires on my lawnmower and that, or a car, whatever. And it's got a USB-C charger in there, so you can plug phones and stuff into it. But this thing's got a lot of different ports. Let me set this down. You've got 5 volt, 2.1 amp, and then you have 5 volt to 9 volt. This button here is a button you press if you want the flashlight to come on. This is your charging USB-C port here, and then this port right here is where you actually plug the charger to jump start the vehicle. So what do you say we go ahead and hook this up to the car and jump start it? Okay, so the first thing they tell you to do is to hook this to your battery, okay? So positive on red, negative on black. After that is hooked to your battery, you want to go ahead and plug it into the charger. Now this has a mode where you just plug it in and start it, or it's got a boost. And we are probably going to have to use the boost. Okay, now what you want to do is look for a green light that's on steady, okay? And right now it is on steady. I know from experience it's probably not going to start it, but it is on steady, it's ready to go. Remember, it wouldn't start before. Yep. So I'm going to have to hit the button to give it a boost. Now the green light is flashing, so hit the button to give it a boost. Okay, boost is on. Well, the green light says it's ready to go. I don't know why it is not going. I'm going to let it sit here for a little bit. Now, before I did not have to do that. It was firing up. Of course, this thing hasn't been started in over a week now. But what I don't get is usually that green light blinks and it's not blinking. It says correct. Man, this thing is really dead. It says it's fully charged. That's it. Wow. I mean, okay, once you're done, you basically have to undo the positive, then the negative, then unplug it from here, like that. Close this back up and you're good to go. That's it. All right, so there you guys go. I mean, it's that simple. Again, it is the GREPRO 12 volt car jumper, battery jumper. I'm going to tell you what, it will jump this car at least 3 times before I have to charge it again. It says it will go, it says you can charge it up to 1,000 times before you're going to have to replace it. I'm never going to use this 1,000 times. I can tell you that right now. So, but even if I do use it 1,000 times, it's going to be well worth it. Again, it took so long this time because this battery was absolutely, completely drained, dead. And there you go. If I had one complaint, I would say I wish they made these a little longer, okay? They just give you enough. It fits in this little carrying case, really, really nice. When fully charged, take this thing, don't throw it in your trunk, unless you have a key to open your trunk. Like this one here, if you don't have the key to open the trunk, yeah, the remote won't open it if the battery's dead. But yes, throw this in your back seat, whatever, and you'll never have to ask somebody to give you a jump again. Highly, highly recommend it. All right, guys, I got a lot of other videos coming, and a lot of them are tech videos. Now, I do have some guitar videos coming too, but they probably won't be for a while. Again, guys, remember the reason the tech videos are taking so long. Number one, I got to get the items or products to do the videos. It costs me money. It comes out of my pocket. You guys are suffering just as bad as I am. I want to thank each and every one of you out there. I appreciate all of you. Again, if you have any ideas, put them in the comment section below. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one.